Hello, fifth graders, and welcome to Lesson 8. In Lesson 8, you are going to be starting a whole new unit, and we are going to be focusing on balance. So in our first unit, which you just completed the test for our first unit, which extended into our second semester, I was hoping to have that unit completed before Christmas, but you know, with COVID and going hybrid here at school, we got a little bit behind. So you just completed your test on color and color theory. We learned about warm and cool colors, neutral colors, primary colors in our Unit 1, and now we're moving on to Unit 2, where we're going to be focusing on balance until the end of the school year. So all of our projects are going to be reflecting a specific type of balance. So please check out the Google slide for Lesson 8 as we begin our first lesson on symmetry. So we are going to be creating symmetrical African masks using the collage technique. Our inspiration is Africa. So in that Google slide, you'll see lots of information on Africa. In class here, we talked a lot about specific cultural traditions we have in the United States versus different cultures and their traditions and things that we wear and other cultures wear. So check out the Google slide as you can learn about Africa and what masks are used for, and also learn about the different types of balance, which are symmetrical, asymmetrical, and radial. And we'll be creating projects reflecting each type of those balances, symmetrical, asymmetrical, and radial, until the end of the school year. So our first one is symmetry, and we are making masks that are the same on both sides using the collage technique. Here at school, I had students practice just drawing symmetry, so you'll see this worksheet in the Google slide. I'll actually post one. If you would like to practice at home, you can print this off. You're just practicing drawing the same on both sides, and then you can color it as well, but be sure that if you do color that you're coloring the same on both sides. However, this is not required for you at home. For my remote learners, we are doing it at school, but I'm not going to require it. This is just sort of extra fun practice for you. Really, what is worth the 100 points of your grade is your collage mask. So follow along on this video or the next couple videos. I haven't decided how many I'm going to make. We'll just see how many steps we get in on how to create your symmetrical African mask. Also, again, check out that Google slide for key terms. I also posted a Unit 2 study guide with all the key terms you'll need to know for your Unit 2 test, which will be in May probably. So be sure to check all of that out for the grading criteria and examples of this project. Okay, follow along as we create our symmetrical African masks. For this project, you are going to need a variety of colored construction paper. If you don't have this many different colors, that's okay. You only maybe need 2 or 3, and you can still complete the project. You can even use white if that is helpful for you at home. You're going to need scissors. You're going to need a pencil and eraser. Sorry, I didn't grab one. You're going to need glue. You could use liquid glue or glue stick, whichever you prefer. If you have fun, funky scissors, that have the decorative edge, you can use those. Again, not required, just regular scissors will do just fine. And then a Sharpie marker, because after we get done cutting and gluing, we're gonna add some additional details with Sharpie marker. All right,